Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Starting with the chapter ratio and proportion, and what we are going to do is that we are going to practice 10 questions from this chapter, and along with the practice, I'll be explaining you the concept. And I hope you have done some basics from other channels or from YouTube or from your coaching or something. Then you can just use this video to practice some high level questions or some conceptual questions. You can say there will be easy questions also, there will be hard questions and some moderate questions too, and every lecture will contain 10 questions. So starting with the video, this is the first lecture of ratio and proportion. So we'll be starting with the first question here. We'll be doing it in a slow manner, okay, and along with the concepts, okay. So here we have a plus b, okay, just upon c is equal to 11 by 4, and b plus c upon a 26 by 9. Okay, then we have to find c by c plus a by b. Okay, so okay, you can see here a plus b plus c and b plus c plus a, and here we have given some of the values. So what if we add 11 plus 4 and 26 plus 9? If we get same value, then we can find it by equating the equation. But just like we can say it is 15 and it is 35. So both are different, and hence we cannot equate them. So what we need to do is to make both of them same or equal at least. Yeah. So how to make it? By taking LCM, right? This is the way. So what we're going to do, take LCM. What will be the LCM? 105, you can say. And it is like 15 sevens are and 35 threes are. Okay. So now, this is, if we can say, then 11 by 4 into 77. Like it will be 7. And then here 26 by 9. It will be 3 into 3. Why? Because to make the equations equal, now we will make it equal. So 7 4s are 20, 7 7s are 40, 7 are 40, so 21 7 4s are 4 are 28, it is 77, and 26 into 3 is equal to 68, and 3 to the 6.7. Here 9 9 20 and 27. Okay, here it will be the equation. Now we can see 77 plus 28 and 78 plus 27. It will be 105 now. But to find it, can we say that 28 is the value of C, and the value of A is 27? So A plus B plus C is equal to, if we do the first equation, 77 plus 28, it will be 105 something. So here we can also say 27 plus 28 plus A plus C. Here we have done A plus C. Now B plus B, sorry, is equal to 105. So can we find the value of B now? Yeah, we can find it. So here 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 or 14. 14 here. It will be, sorry, 15. Yeah, sorry, 15. I'm sorry. It will be 15, and then here 4 and 5. 55 will be the sum. And 105, it will be like B is equal to 50. B is equal to 50. Okay. So we have the B value. Now can we put it here, C plus A upon B, that we need to find C plus A upon B. So here, like, C plus A is what? 27 plus 28, and upon B, which is 50. Now we have, after putting the value, we know it is like 55 and this is 50, and after cutting it, it will be 11 and 10, right? So can we say the answer is B? Coming on to the question number 2, A by B is equal to 1 by 3. B by C is equal to 2 by 1. C by D is equal to 1 by 2. D by E is equal to 3 by 1. E by F is equal to 1 by 4. What we need to find is A into B into C upon D into E into F. To find that, we can use the simplest method. Actually, you can use a lot of methods here, but we will be using the most simple method for solving it. Like a plus, can we just do one thing, that to find the a by e, sorry, a by d, if we need to find this, right? First we'll find that, and then secondly this, and then this. Okay, to find this, how can we find it? See, a by here we have a by b, b by c, and c by d. So here it is in nominator and denominator. Okay. Now, what if we multiply a by b into 2 into 1 and then 1 by 2, like multiplying all the three values together, so that we can find it. How? See, here 2 will be cancelled, and we'll have 1 by 3 as answer of 2 by a, sorry, a by d. If this is not the final answer, we have to multiply it after, and then b by e. To find the b by e, we can do the same. Here it is in nominator and denominator, and what we have to do is 2 by 1, 1 by 2, and 3 by 1. 2 by 2 will be cancelled, and 3 by 1 will be the answer here for this value, and then c by f. We have to follow the same method. C is in nominator and f is in denominator here. So 1 by 2 into 3 by 1 into 1 by 4. So here nothing is being cutting out. So it will be like 3 and 8, 3 by 8. So we have three values, 1 by 3 into 3 by 1 into 3 by 8. What if we just cancel this and we'll have a value of 3 by 8? This is the answer. Question number 3, a by b. A by b is equal to 2 by 9 raised to 1 by 3. B raised to c is equal to 2 by 7 up 2 by 7 raised to 5 by 14. We can write it like c. It is not the value of c. You can just see that the value of c is this. Okay, but we are writing it like that. And then d by c is equal to 7 raised to 10 and 3 raised to 5. So we have two values of b and two values of c. In that way, what we can do, can we simplify it, because we need to find a b c d, right, raised in a raised, like in a ratio format. So to find that, we need to simplify the denominators, and to simplify it we need to multiply it with some common value that cancels the denominators, so that we can have some value in just a denominator form, just like one word form, not in a fraction. To simplify the fractions, we can multiply it with 9 and 9. You can even do this, like for example, okay, just let me explain you the concept here. A by b, for example, this is written. So can you multiply 2 above and 2 below? Will it cause anything? No. It will have no changes. So we can, in the same manner, we can also multiply here with any number. It's just like given a by b, which is 2 by 9 and 1 by 3. And just multiplying it by 9 and 9 will not do anything. But we can just cut it. Okay. After cancelling out it, we can have 6, and here we'll have 3, I guess. Yeah. We'll have, sorry, 9, 9, it's 1. And here we'll have 3, 3 threes are 9. Okay. Sorry. Here we'll have 3 and here we'll have 2. Sorry. Yeah, some spelling mistakes. Silly mistakes. Sorry. So here we have 2 and here we have 3. In that same way, we can do it 14 here, 14 here. It will be cancelled out. Here we'll have 2, which is like 4 raised to 5. Cancelling out 10 and 10. So this will be cancelled and this will be cancelled. It will be 2. 7 raised to 6. Now, do you know neighbor method? Okay. You can follow one neighbor method. That is so easy to follow. A raised to b raised to c raised to d. We need to find that, right? And we have some values like a raised to b is equal to what? 2 raised to 3. B raised to c and d raised to c. We have to keep in mind it is d raised to c. Okay. Now what we need to do is that 2 raised to 3, putting it here. Why? A raised to b given here. Okay. Just putting the values. Now b raised to c, 4 raised to 5 is given here, so we'll just put 4 raised to 5 here. And d raised to c, it is 7 raised to 6 here. Now why it is called neighbor method? It is called neighbor method because after color changing, just a second. Okay, yeah. So we have 3 here and we just need to write 3 here and 3 here. 5 and just write 5 here. Okay, just write 4 here. Just write 7. Write 7. Sorry, I just made a mistake that I was just saying that you will be making it, but I made it. Sorry. You can just see that here the value of d by c is given, which is 7 raised to 6. It means c is equal to 6, right? So we need to put 6 here and then 7 here. And after putting the neighbor method again, it is 6 here and 6 here. So 6 4 are 24, 24 into 2 is equal to 48. 6 4 are 24, 24 into 3 is equal to 72. 6 5 are 30, 30 into 3 is equal to 90. And 7 5 are 35, 35 into 3 is equal to 105. Sorry. So yeah, after can we cut it out with any common number? Yeah, we can cut this out with 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 80. And 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 fours are 12. 3 threes are 9 and 0. 3 threes are 9, 3 fives are 15. So we have 16 raised to 24 raised to 30 raised to 35 as the value of a raised to b raised to c raised to d. Do we have any common answers? Yeah. Do we have? Yeah. This is the option that is correct. Now moving on to the next question. X and y is equal to 5 by 2 is given. So we need to find x cube, y cube upon x cube plus y cube. Okay. So just putting the values straightly. We have to put it x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. X is equal to 5 cube minus y cube and y cube is what? 2 cube, sorry. It is 2 cube. Then x cube is equal again 5 cube plus 2 cube, which is like 125 plus 8, 125, sorry, 125 minus 8, 125 plus 8. Then 125 minus 8 will be 107, I guess, and it will be 5, 8, 13, 3, 3. Okay, it will be 133. Yeah, this option A is correct. Okay, the difference between two numbers is 50. X minus y, let two numbers be x minus y is equal to 50. And then the ratio is 7 raised to 2 and x raised to y is equal to x by y is equal to 7 raised to 2. Okay, so find the product of both the numbers. So to find the products, we can do one thing, that taking it as 7x and sorry, x is equal to let 7 and it will be like 2, y is equal to 2. So it is 7 minus 2 is equal to 50, and multiplying it by x, it will be 7 minus 2. We just don't need to multiply it with x, but we are just taking some variable like I say, okay, 7x by 2x. So in that way, it is like 7 minus 2, which is like 5x, which will be here 50, and x is equal to 10. We have some value of 10, and now just we need to find product, right? Product is mainly multiplication. So 7 10 into 2 10, which is like 20 into 70, 7 twos are 14 and 0 0 100. 1400 is the answer. Question this, like if three number are in the ratio of 4 raised to 5 raised to 7 and the total is 720, so 4x plus 5x plus 7x is equal to 320. This will be like 16x, which is like 320, and x is equal to 20. Then find the total of the smallest and the largest number. This is the smallest and this is the largest. So it will be 420 plus 720. 4 to the 8, 80, 7 to the 14, 40. Like 220 will be the answer. Option number C. Given here 4x square minus 3y square upon 2x square plus 5y square given as 12 upon 19, either 19 into 4x square minus 3y square. We need to find x upon y is equal to 12 2x square plus 5y square. So 9 1 9 9 7 for 36 ka 3, yeah 3 4 1 are 4 5 6 7 76 x square minus 19 19 19 12 20 19 19 19 28 think 57 I guess, yeah, 24x square and here plus 60y square. So 76x square minus 24x square is equal to 60y square plus 57y square. Here 7, 5 plus 11 is equal to, can we just resize it? Just wait a second, please. Resizing. Here we have 76x square minus 24, which is like what? 76 minus 24. Sorry. 6 minus 4 is equal to 2 and 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. X 5, 52x square and 60 plus here 7 and 1 is 7y square. So we have the value x square upon y square is equal to 117 upon 52. Can we cut it with 13? 9, 13 1 the 13, 32 the 26, 13 3 39, 13 4 52 and we can just say x y square is solved. It is solved, okay? 9 and this is 4 which is like 3 and 2. Option number B. Coming on to the next question. In the class of a 40 students, which of the following can't be the ratio of boys and girls? इसमें से boys and girls का ratio क्या नहीं हो सकता? See, to find the ratio, we just need to say that the sum should be the sum of the ratio should be the multiple of the number. So if it is 40, then the sum of the ratios like 5 plus 3, it is 8, should be the multiple of 40, which is yes, it is. 7 plus 2, which is 9, should be the multiple of 40, which is not. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, which should be the multiple of 40, it is. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4, which is the multiple of 40, it is. So which of the following it can't be? Can't. We have to answer the can't. So it is. So we have our next question, Arun, Varun and Kiran. Okay. So we are going to start it with Arun. Varun and Kiran have total rupees 8,000 with them. They spend 50, 100 and 200 respectively. Now they have money in the ratio of 14, 22 and 15. What is the amount of the amount with Varun initially? So it is A, V and K. So we can say it is like they're spending 50, 100 and 200, which is like around 350 rupees they are spending. So we can say in the ratio 14, 22 and 15, 15 ratio, right? So the sum of the ratio will be 51. So it's like 350 is like 51 and 8,000 if we subtract 350 because they have spent that amount. So it will be like 7650 like 00 and then yeah 7650. Then can we say that it is 51 is equal to 7650, which is like in the ratio, the total of the ratio, it is multiple, right? So 1 will be approximately mm, 17 to 0, I think, and then 150 approx. Yeah. So 1 is equal to 150, and hence we can say that it is. Yeah. So what is the amount with Varun initially? So can we say 22 into 150? 22 into 150. it will be around 330, something like that. So this is your answer. Because we have to just find with the balloon and we just multiply the balloon with the amount in the ratio. We can get the full value. So next question, the last question is: a man divided his property so that his son share to his wife share, and the wife share to his daughter share are both in the ratio 3:1. If daughter gets 4,000 less than the son, the value in the rupees of the whole property. A man divided his property so that the son shares to his wife share and the wife shares to his daughter are both in the ratio of 3:1. There is some mistake in the question, I guess. Some sort of a mistake. Mm, I think not. Yeah, this is the question. A man divides his property so that the son share to his wife share, and wife share to his daughter share, and both in ratio 1. Okay, both are in ratio. Sorry. Son raised to wife and wife raised to daughter. Raised to 1. Raised to 1. Okay. If daughter gets less, 40,000 less, if a daughter gets 40,000, if daughter gets 40,000 less than son, तो तुमको बताना क्या है? What is the value of the whole property? Okay, okay. Got the question. So can we do one thing? Is first we need to find son raised to and the wife raised to daughter. What is son? 3:1 and 3:1. Here we can use the Perosi method, which is like you can use it. For example, if you have to find three values, you can do it directly, which is like 3 into 3, which is 3 threes are 9. Multiplying these, 3 ones are 3, and this with this, which is 1. So what is the difference between a son and a daughter, which is 8, and what is the difference here, son and daughter? Here it is 40,000. So 8 is equal to 40,000. 8 fives are 40, which is like 5,000. 1 is equal to. So the value of the rupees in the whole property is 9 plus 3 plus 1, which is like 13, and 13 into 5,000, which is like 65,000. Will be not